Hi friends, welcome to WizBusters. I'm Emma, and today I'm going to show you how to use the left function in both Google Sheets and Excel. So what does the left function do? Well, the left function extracts characters starting from the left of a string or text. That is, from the beginning of a text or string. What does it give you? It gives you one or more characters in return. How do you use the left function? Well, we need to tell Google Sheets or Excel two things. One, from where do we want to extract the text, such as the reference of the cell which has the text or what the text is. And two, how many characters do we want to extract, starting from the left of the string. So these are the two parameters in the left function. In Google Sheets, you will see equal left, string, number of characters, while in Excel you'll see left, text, numchars. So let's get our fingers cracking and start using these in an example. But before we begin, hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. So in this example, we have a table with a list of names. We want the first letter of each name in this table. So we use the left function. We type in left, open parentheses, and we will see at the bottom that there are two parameters, string and number of characters. Recall that the parameter string is asking, tell me which text or string are we referring to? Well, we are referring to the text in this cell. Click that cell to reference the cell which has the text. Then we separate our parameters by a comma, so we place a comma here. And then the second parameter is number of characters. Recall this parameter is asking how many characters starting from the left of the string do you want me to extract? And in this case, we want to extract the first letter. Therefore, the number here should be 1. So we close the function with the parenthesis and we press enter. The result is C, which is correct here. Capital C, and then we drag it and we get SEJCT, so this matches. Now let's take a look at another example. Here we have another table with a list of postal codes, and we want the first 3 characters of each postal code in this table. We can use the left function. So if we type in equal left, open parenthesis, and recall the first parameters, which text do we want to extract characters from? So we want to extract it from this text. We click there, we type in a comma, and then our second parameter is number of characters. How many characters do we want to extract? Well, we want to extract the first 3, so we want to extract 3. So we type in 3, close the parenthesis, and press enter. So if you see here, it says the first 3 is A1F, and that's correct. Now it gives me an option to autofill here. This is Google Sheets. Press the check mark and you'll get it autofilled. So before we go, I wanted to call out a few things. What if we didn't put a number in the second parameter? If you see here, we have put left B7 1. So suppose if we just put equal left, we want to reference this cell, B7, and we don't put 1, we just close the parenthesis. Then we do still get C, and if we drag this formula down, we're getting the first letter of each name here. So this shows you that the default setting is 1. So if we leave out the second parameter, which is optional, it gives you the first letter. The second point I wanted to call out is that instead of referencing a cell, we can type in a string as the first parameter. Say if we wanted the first 3 characters of another postal code. So we say equal left and we put another postal code, say M6S1L4, and we close it. Then we put a comma and we say we wanted the first 3 characters. Then there we go. It gives us the first 3 characters of that specific string. So it gives us M6S. If we drag this formula down, it continues to give us the first 3 characters of this string. So there we go, my friends. That's how we use the left function. Thank you for watching and learning, and hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.